So you get, someone scans a wine, you get a new label, and then you are entering not just data, not just about that wine, but you already went into the like grape variety and wine region questions that
Exactly.
you, I see.
Yeah,
So
then you
it's
build like
like,
a hierarchy. So our people were building like the sort of the data about the specific data about it. What grape is it? What region is it? All those things, name and winery and so on. But then the more opinionated stuff that came from the user. That sort of was put on
yeah.
top of that, right? But as soon as we did that once, we now have a picture of this wine. You usually actually need multiple pictures of the wine to be able to match it, or at
Yeah.
least to do it well. So then you just keep building that and keep building that until it gets better and better.
That's very cool. Just a quick question here. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section and see you in the next one.